Why in 100-word email would I let someone bullshit the reader for 6 lines? What is up, Copy Squad? It's your boy Kyle Milligan, and today we're going to jump into the Discord and check out some copies. All right, cool. Here we go. So we're going to dive into this. I have my team call in 30 minutes, so we'll just go through this and do the best we can with the time we got. Retirementmillionaire.com. It's very on the nose. Stansberry. Yeah, Stansberry Research. Former Goldman Sachs VP, best-selling retirement expert. If I had to pour every single penny of my retirement into one stock, this would be a single stock. I mean, it's kind of like the move to make. Like right now, single stock stories are probably the best, easiest, lowest hanging fruit play in this environment. Because like there's no like macro bullishness. There's no macro excitement. Okay. Millions of Americans over 40 are experiencing this. Sucks. How does this really mean anything for me? Like that's kind of, it's too vague. You're too experiencing what? Like experiencing this nightmare, this financial nightmare? Like too vague for me. Over 40 doesn't mean I'm going to tune in. You could get some clicks from this, but like over 40, worried about your retirement dreams? That's a better SL. That's a better subject line. Millions of Americans, especially over 40, are in this exact same position. They worry their financial dreams are in jeopardy. And folks are genuinely scared, confused, and even angry. That's why I just released a brand new presentation. Inside, I reveal details about a little-known stock that could help with your retirement. It's just all so vague. There's nothing concrete or hooking in this. What's this do? That was me. What's the first one here? There's no benefit or something that made me click. Could mention a little-known stock thing. Yeah, this is kind of the same feeling I have. There's nothing here to make me think I needed to click this. They're in the exact same position. So you're doing like a breadcrumbs or like what position? But it's like, I don't see, there's nothing here compelling enough for me to care about their position. They worry their retirement dreams are in jeopardy and folks are scared, confused, and even angry. Okay, disrupt. Intrigue. I released a brand new presentation. This comment here could instead do something like, and because I don't want you to be in that, like that, I released this brand new presentation. Not worded like that, but you get me. He says the why is in the line below. Could help you retire. We're inside to reveal details about little stuff that help you retire. Yeah, but like why? Like so why not just sync these sentences up so that the benefit is apparent at the start? Like that's the thing. Like you don't be so entitled that you think they should read this, they should read this, they should read this. They should read this. They should read this before they get a benefit from you. Do you understand? Look at this. 1, and then an alternate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want someone to read 6 lines before you do a damn thing for them. I wouldn't even allow that in a promotion. In a sales letter that's 30 pages long, you better tell me why I'm on this sales page in the first 4 lines. Why in 100-word email would I let someone bullshit the reader for 6 lines? Don't do it. I revealed it could help with your retirement. That's such a weak promise. God, that is so soft. That is limp. Tell me how you get rid of the problems you described above. Has the potential to quadruple. You're doing it again. Like you're like forcing me to read nothing where you just nothing. Just my little idea, not necessarily reframe it a line like that's like investing X dollars and getting X. It's fine. No, quadruple your money is fine. I call it America's #1 retirement stock. Do they actually call it that? It's vague as heck. Yeah, they do call it that. Yeah, I mean, that's just some shit they've been doing for like a million years. And although, I mean, it works. Like if everyone's just looking for one quick, easy win, one quick stock to invest in, it's corny, but it works. And although I've recommended hundreds of stocks in my career, including 3 winning streaks, over 100 trades in a row, good. I've never ever encountered investing stories quite as compelling as this retirement stock. Oh, it's no wonder, what? This blew my mind here. It's no wonder that figure is even more powerful than BlackRock and Vanguard. Dash, what is this? It's no wonder that figures even more powerful than BlackRock and Vanguard have quietly backed up the truck to this little known company. This probably come from the promo. I kind of get it, but it's just a clunky sentence. If you're interested, you can follow important details inside the exclusive presentation. It's free to watch. Okay, let's go ahead and just do this thing. So here's how I'll do it, because I've been doing it in the comments and then just basically copying and pasting it after the fact anyway. So let's go here. And we might as well grab the subject lines. I mean, this is very... Okay. So notice how long it took me to write that sentence. Workshop your fucking sentences. Don't write dog shit and then move on. Millions of Americans over 40 are faced with a struggle they can actually escape today. Jesus Christ. Look, it's so much like a struggle they can escape. There's a benefit. There's your target market, and you can do it today. I could write the word financial here, and it becomes even more targeted. Fine, we'll put financial struggle. Millions of Americans over 40 are faced with a financial struggle they can actually escape today. All of this bullshit, done. There's the target market, there's the benefit, financial struggle, over 40, boom. Okay, what's the financial struggle? What's the financial struggle? Instead of being, what was it? He wrote angry. What the fuck was it? It was scared, confused, angry. All right. I'm trying to think. I don't have a good word for this right now. Okay, here. That. Millions of Americans over 40 are faced with a financial struggle they can actually escape today. Instead of being scared, confused, or angry about their retirement situation, they can tune into a brand new presentation I just released about an overlooked stock that could quadruple in the coming years. I call it America's #1 retirement stock. Although I've done this, including this, I've never ever... Cool. I liked this. We can keep this. This was whack. I like backing up the truck, but it was just written so whack. Like, backing up the truck, what? To dump loads of money, right? And then the whole point are dumping big money players like BlackRock and Vanguard are quietly dumping. And I'll just do this as like almost like an aside. This is such a corny ass America's #1 retirement stock. Boom. It's a very uninspired copy, in my opinion. America's #1, but it works, so I can't. What are you going to do? Yeah, so there's your little rewrite, K. Milligan style. And again, all I wanted to do was get more targeted. Like, you force me through so much. It's like, you ever play Resident Evil 2? You play the remake? You make me wade through the sewer section, waist-high piles of shit water to get to the benefit. Just tell me the benefit. Tell me what's in it for me and why I should pay attention, why I should care. So over 40, worry about your retirement dreams. So must read, just again, boom. Millions of Americans over 40, just again, like this is just to increase urgency, this must read thing. Millions of Americans over 40 are faced with a financial struggle. I like faced with because it makes it feel more like it's like something coming or a decision to make. Millions of Americans over 40 are faced with a financial struggle that they can actually escape today. Instead of being scared, confused, or angry about the retirement situation, instead of saying your, I want to say your. But I can't use the word your and then tie it to quadruple an investment. Like, not in this climate, not in this compliance. Meanwhile, every fucktard on earth can say anything they want about manifesting the end of cancer. Or you can say, you can have basically near pornographic Instagram posts go out without anyone batting an eye. And then you try to help someone with their retirement and FTC comes beating down your door. So anyway, they can tune into a brand new presentation I just released about an overlooked stock that could quadruple an investment in the coming years, called America's #1 retirement stock. And although I love this, this is good. I recommend hundreds of stocks, including 3 winning streaks of 100 winning trades in a row. That's good. I've never ever encountered an investing story quite as compelling. This is classic. Even though I've done all this great stuff, it's also good. I've never seen anything like this before. Big money players, like, yeah, that's it. It's done. We did it. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you got some value. Hope you learned something. I'll see you very soon. Until then, peace out, Copy Squad.